In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a free trial on TradingView. If you're interested in tracking financial markets, practicing your trading strategies, or just exploring advanced charting tools, TradingView is one of the top platforms to consider. The good news is, there's a way to try it out without any commitment. So, let's dive in. First off, you'll want to start by heading over to TradingView's website, which is tradingview.com. This is your first step on the journey to access their suite of features. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice options to either log in or sign up. Since we're aiming for a new account to access the trial, find the option to create a new account. TradingView offers several convenient ways to do this. Whether you prefer using your email, Google account, or Apple ID, TradingView has streamlined the process, making it a breeze to get started. After you've set up your account, you'll want to navigate over to the pricing page. This is where TradingView lists the different plans they offer. Each plan provides varying levels of functionality, from the more basic essential plan to the expansive premium plan. Take your time here to review what each plan offers. Your choice will depend on what features you're most interested in exploring. Once you've settled on a plan that suits your needs, you'll find an option right beneath it saying, "Try free for 30 days." This is the key to unlocking your trial. Go ahead and click on that. Next up, you'll need to enter some payment information. TradingView allows you to use either a credit card or PayPal. It's important to note here that this is a standard procedure for activating free trials on many platforms, ensuring that your transition to a paid plan is seamless should you choose to continue after the trial ends. However, don't worry, you won't incur any charges as long as you cancel the trial within the 30-day period. Now that you've completed all these steps, you're free to explore TradingView's tools and features during your trial period. Dive into their vast array of charts, try out personalizing your dashboard, or analyze the market data with advanced tools. This trial period is your opportunity to really see if TradingView fits your trading needs, risk-free. Remember, it's crucial to set a reminder for the end of your trial period. If you decide TradingView isn't right for you, you'll want to make sure you cancel before your trial expires to avoid any unwanted charges. Otherwise, enjoy the features and happy trading. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.